smoke and mirrors. I had a guy hire me. His name is Jason Stevenson. He's got, I don't know, 2.5, 3.5, something like that, million followers on YouTube. He hired me because he launched a course, an online course, right? And only 40 people purchased it out of millions of followers, right? So I've had a lot of influencers that have millions of people following them that aren't making any money. I run a group here in Texas. It's the all the YouTubers in Texas. And prior to the pandemic, we would have all of these super famous YouTubers out to talk about what they did to grow their accounts, right? And across the board, those that had followers that are outside the US didn't make money off their AdSense because nobody was buying stuff. And people don't buy t-shirts. They don't buy hats. Nobody cares about your merch. You can't build a business off of merch. You've got to have something else that you're going to offer people. And if you build a following off of your personality, well, what are you going to sell?